I saw a really awesome video with Gary Vee recently, and somebody asked him what was the greatest lesson that he had ever had in his life, and he boiled it down to one thing only.
What advice that you got that changed your life?
I think the best piece of advice I got is, as a young kid, I was so good at talking, I could sell anything to anyone. And when you're young, you don't understand that power. And so I got very fortunate. When I was about 14 or 15, my father taught me, and I'm really grateful to this day about that. My father said, your word is your bond. It's the most important contract. And it really changed the course of my life because I was too talented in the way I could storytell. And I even understood as a young kid that I could really get anyone to believe anything. And by really going down a path where my reputation and my word mattered most, it really allowed a lot of what's happening to me now to happen. So the best advice I got was, your word is your contract.
When his dad sat him down and told him the power of keeping his word, it incredibly impacted him. And I can tell you that in our businesses, the businesses that we've built, the success that we have built, it's not been based on social media. In fact, our businesses have mostly been built without social media, even in an age of social media. But our businesses have been built because of the incredible power of keeping our word to the extent that it hurts to fulfill obligations that we've said we have, even if contracts haven't been signed. My husband and I both consider ourselves handshake people and have committed to relationships in that way. And it has proved to be an incredibly powerful way to do business. There's a book called The Speed of Trust, brilliantly written. I think it was Stephen Covey. But in that book, the author talks about how much work and how slow it takes to do things when you don't trust people. How many lawyers are involved, how much money is involved to build backstops and to bring, to just put safeguards and all these boundaries in place because there's a lack of trust. And he used an example of how cumbersome and difficult it is to go through airport security when there's no trust. It takes a long time, it's annoying, you have to show up hours before, and we all complain about it. In contrast to that, he spoke of how Warren Buffett did business and the speed that he can do transactions, buying, selling businesses, and making investments. And the speed that the key that Warren Buffett referenced in his life was that he did business with a handshake and only a handshake. And so I offer this to you today. I don't know what business you're in or if you're in business, but whatever you do in life, your word is powerful and basically is the entirety of your reputation. We all think that reputation is separate from us building a brand, but building a brand is just doing what you say you'll do and standing that ground even when it's difficult. And so in an age of social media where everyone wants to build their own brand and build their own platform, the most important thing is to be somebody that's true to your word, to be authentic and to be sincere. Discover the power of doing business with a handshake. Discover the power of just giving somebody your word. You don't have to go to great lengths of swearing on the Bible or swearing to God or swearing to your mother. Just be a person that says yes and keeps that yes, and a person that says no and keeps that no. It's archaic, it's old, it's ancient. But the truth is, it's never been out of style. And in a day where everything is changing, some of the oldest, most ancient, powerful ways of interacting with people are going to be the most progressive and the most unique in this era. So do business in a radically new way. Do it by keeping your word. Do it by giving a handshake to seal the deal.